By just signing up a Moomoo account, deposit 2000 USD, save my money in Moomoo Cash Plus for an amazing 2.19% annual interest, I literally get 242 SGD for free, and it is a whopping 9% return in just under 2 hours.
Till I can't no more. I got the horses in the bag.
Hi everyone, welcome to Investing Mania. I'm Terry. Today, I will teach you how to register a Moomoo account, how to deposit and withdraw money, how to buy and sell stocks, and then most importantly, how to get all those free money just by using Moomoo app.
Hey, you just want to earn my referral commission, right?
Walao, you think I'm so cheapskate meh?
Yes, he's that cheapskate. Alamak, it's cheapskate lah, bodoh.
But you win, I win. Why not? First, click on the link in the description below to register. Click Claim Now. Input your phone number and click Send. Input a verification code. Click Sign Up to sign up an account with your own password. If you are not Singaporean, PR or Work Pass holder in Singapore, you may select Other if you are from Southeast Asia country and you will need to use your passport to register an account. But if you are a Singaporean, PR or Work Pass holder in Singapore, you can just sign up using SingPass. Log in with your SingPass, answer the text information and tell us more about your session. Verify your phone number again, read through the risk disclosure, check the checkbox, type your full name here as the signature. You can link your DBS or POSB bank account to Moomoo now if you have one. But if you don't have DBS or POSB account, you can click on this and deposit from your local bank accounts later. The account opening process is pretty fast. Mine was approved in just 12 minutes. And while waiting for the approval, you should go and download and install Moomoo app from the Play Store and sign in. Once your account is approved, it is time to make some money. But wait, your account is zero balance now. You should deposit some money. Go to Trade, Deposit. If you link your DBS or POSB bank just now, you can use the DDA, which is the fastest. Besides DBS or POSB, it now supports most of the major banks in Singapore. You can use bank transfer if you don't have those bank accounts in DDA. Select Deposit SGD from a bank in Singapore. Scroll down. Now go to your bank, copy all the 3 details and do a fast transfer. Once you are done, head back to Moomoo app and click on the Notify Us button. Input the currency and amount. You can leave any message here. For me, I will just type, "Let's what together." As Moomoo only accept USD, SGD and HKD deposit now, if you are from other Southeast Asia country, you can use Wise to convert your local currency into one of the 3 currencies and deposit into Moomoo. By using the bank transfer method, my first deposit took 1 hour to arrive, but my second deposit onwards, it only took less than 1 minute to arrive into my Moomoo account. Now you have deposited $1 million into Moomoo. It is time to buy some stocks. Hey wait, if you deposited SGD but want to buy US stock, you have to exchange your SGD into USD first. If not, you'll be considered using margin and being charged a high interest.
Money come.
To exchange your currencies, go to Trade, select Currency Exchange, input your exchange pair and amount accordingly and submit. And now, you are ready to buy some shares. Go to Market, click on the magnifier to search for the stock you want to buy. You can click on the heart to add it into your watch list to monitor the price. Click on the stock, go to Trade. There are many order types but we mostly use limit and market. For market order, you will just get the best market price for you. For limit order, you can input the price you want to buy at. And when we use limit order, we always input the price lower than the current market price.
Hey, you think I'm stupid, man? Who will buy higher than market price?
But if you sure input one more zero, don't worry. Your order will still be filled at the best market price. For the quantity, the minimum is 1 for US stocks, 100 for Singapore stocks, and for Hong Kong stocks, it depends on the price. For time in force, day means your order will automatically be cancelled if it is not filled within the trading day. Put to cancel means your order will be valid for 90 calendar days until the order is fully filled or manually cancelled. For trading hours, I would suggest using regular hours only because if you use include extended hours, your order will be filled in pre-market or post-market and this is where the liquidity is low and the volatility is high. Click Buy, check your order and confirm. And you can see your order right below. If it is not filled and you want to edit or cancel, just click on it and select your action. Now, let's assume your stock price go to the moon to look for Chang'e and Jade Rabbit and you want to sell.
I'm 企鹅, not 嫦娥.
Go to Trade, under your stocks, slide right and click on the Trade button. Everything here is the same as the buying steps. But remember to click on the Sell button, yeah? Now you have get back your money, and if you want to withdraw, remember to change back to your local currency first. Go to Trade, select More, Withdraw, select the currency you want to withdraw. If you haven't linked a bank account, you will need to add it here, and it will require you to take a screenshot of your latest bank statement. Select the bank account, input the amount and click Next. Promotion number 1. From now till 31st August 2022, if you deposit $2,000 into your Moomoo account, you are eligible for one lucky draw. Go to Me, Coupons, select the lucky draw one, click Go to start your draw. As you can see, I have just won a stock of SE which is worth 122 Singapore dollars for free. Promotion number 2. If you save 200 SGD or more in Moomoo Cash Plus, you will get 2 SGD per day for 30 days. Plus, when you are subscribing, you can use the 30 SGD cash coupon which will give you another 30 SGD for free. And plus, if you subscribe over 1500 SGD or more in Moomoo Cash Plus, you will get another 20 SGD and a 10 SGD fun cash coupon. By just signing up a Moomoo account, deposit 2000 USD, save my money in Moomoo Cash Plus for an amazing 2.19% annual interest, I literally get 242 SGD for free. And it is a whopping 9% return in just under 2 hours. Touch your heart and tell me the truth. Have you ever seen such a good sign-up reward elsewhere? If there's any, let me know in the comment below. Besides all this amazing reward, I would say Moomoo phone app is super amazing. They have a lot of built-in tools that you can use to find a good stock, the earning calendars for companies who are reporting earnings, and other reports of the companies that you save in your watch list. You can get the news and people's comment about the stock easily. You can also do some daily tasks to earn points and to exchange the point into some cute Moomoo merchandise. And what surprised me the most is, on the next day after I sign up, a Moomoo SG account executive WhatsApp me and they can answer almost all the questions I have about their platform. And that is so far the best customer service I can get. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you like today's video. I have more investment related video in my channel which might be helpful to you to kickstart your investment journey. I'll leave the link in the description below. If you have any question, please feel free to comment down below, or you can join our Telegram channel and group to get the latest update and some useful info. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.